Welcome back, friends. Today we have three super fun Christmas crafts, and we're going to start using some tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. They come 72 in a pack, and they are $1.25 for the whole box. I like to keep them in a basket because it keeps them contained and easy to work with. We're going to use some ribbon. You can use whatever ribbon you have at home, my scissors, as well as this cardstock that has a shimmery finish to it. I found that one at Dollar Tree. And my shaped hole punchers. I get these on Amazon. I'm going to use the one that has a snowflake shape to it, but of course you can even use cut it by hand. We're going to use red paint, black paint, paint brushes, as well as some black string. And we're also going to use the hot glue. We are going to start by joining two of them together vertically, and then the other one we're going to join at the bottom horizontally. We're going to create two little ornaments in the shape of a snowman hat. I think these will be so cute to make with your kiddos. And we're going to do a second one, and we're going to do the same thing. Join two of them vertically, and then the other one horizontally on the bottom. We're going to paint one of them black. I am using Waverly Chalk Pen in the ink tone, and then the other one's going to go red, and I painted it in the Waverly Chalk Pen in the crimson. While those are drying, I am going to take the cardstock. Again, I found this at Dollar Tree, and they come different shades. And we're going to cut off two snowflakes using my hole punchers. How cute that is. And I love these because they come out right at the bottom, and you just open it up and remove them. I do have this set in my Amazon store. Again, if you want to check that out, it is always linked down in the description box. All right, so my little hats are now dry, so I'm going to add red ribbon to the black one. And I forgot to paint the back. I noticed as I was attaching it, and I was already committed, so we ain't going back. But please paint the back. I think it takes no time at all, and it just looks so pretty. All right, so once I attach the ribbon all the way around, I attach the little snowflake to the front. And now we're going to loop a piece of the ribbon, and we're going to hot glue it to the back. That way we can hang the ornament. For the red one, we're going to use this beautiful striped candy cane style ribbon from Dollar Tree. Again, I forgot to paint the back, but please ignore that part. Wrapped it around, and then we're going to add the little snowflake and then loop more ribbon, knot it, and then attach it to the back. And I think these turned out so cute. You can make so many of these in different shades. You can do gray and white. Oh my goodness. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree Christmas craft, we're going to take more tumbling tower blocks. For this one, we're going to use white paint, red paint, and cream color paint. We're going to also use this white towel from Dollar Tree, but this is optional. Have a wood bead. I get these on Amazon. We're going to use my scissors, paint brushes, of course, and white ribbon for this one, a black marker, and our hot glue as well. We're going to paint three blocks. One of them is going to be white, the other one red, and the other one in the cream color. And then, of course, you want to put that to the side. Now, we wanted to use the towel. Again, this part could be optional. But the reason why we want to use this, we want to cut off a tiny little piece from the bottom. And this is going to give us a cute little hat for our Santa ornament. Once the blocks are dry, we're going to hot glue them together. The red on the top, the cream in the middle, the white at the bottom. And then we're going to attach the little fuzzy white strip of towel. And we're going to hot glue it in between the cream and the red blocks. Once that's attached, we're going to attach the little half bead right there as a nose. And then we're going to mark some eyes there for our Santa. And then we're going to take the white ribbon. Again, like earlier, we're going to loop it and knot it. And we're going to hot glue it to the back. You can add whatever else you want. You can add a long beard to Santa, whatever you want. But I think keeping it like this is nice and quick and simple. So fun to make this with your kiddos. What an easy craft. Of course, if you're going to use hot glue, you can do that part, but they can paint and draw. What do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree Christmas craft, we're going to take 4 of the brown tumbling tower blocks. And we're also going to use pom-poms. These I found at Dollar Tree for the Christmas season. We're going to use a pipe cleaner or a Chanel stem in the brown tone. My scissors, the hot glue, again, of course, a black marker, We're going to use a little dab of white paint and a little skewer stick to add the paint. And then we're going to use a brown ribbon. If you don't have brown, you can use red, white, or even black. All right, we're going to join all 4 blocks vertically right next to each other. And we're creating Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ornament. Once they're attached, we're going to cut the chenille stem in half and hot glue it to the back, just like that. These are going to be the antlers. Now we're going to take the red pom-pom. We're going to take one of the larger ones from the set and hot glue it right there in the center. And we're going to draw some eyes, some oval eyes right there, one on each side. And then we're going to take the white paint and the bamboo skewer stick, and we're going to dab a little dot, and this is going to add a nice detail to the eyes. All right, now we're going to take a pencil and we're going to wrap the chenille stem around it to give it that nice curved look. And we're going to do that to both of them. And then we're going to take the ribbon, and again, we're just going to loop it and knot it and hot glue it to the back. This is such an easy one. Oh my word, anyone can do this. Such a fun set of ornaments you can make with your kids this Christmas season. It's fun, easy, and so enjoyable. I love the way this one turned out, but let me know which one is your favorite down below. And I have another video here for you with tons more of Christmas crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.